और अब हम आए हैं यहाँ थ्री पिरामिड पायरस। ये कोई म्यूज़ियम है, देखते हैं यहाँ पे क्या है। ये कोई are they gonna explain?
But I heard you can even record. Can it?
Yeah, so my name is Nada and I will be the guardian for a few minutes showing you how to make the first paper ever out of this plant, which is called papyrus plant. First of all, this plant is very holy and is sacred for the chaos because of two reasons. First, the flower looks like sun rays, symbol of God Amun-Ra, the sun. And when you touch it, what was that? Secondly, the stem takes triangle shape like a small pyramid. So to make the paper, we cut the stem according to the size we need. For example, the size. And then we remove the green outer part. The green outer part is useless to make the paper. But this part is very strong, very flexible, so they use it to make sandals, baskets, and the heads. The most important part is the inner wide part, so we cut it into thin slices. As we can see, it's breakable because it contains amount of water, sugar and fibers inside. So we use the rolling pin to reduce the water, make the slices more thinner and more strong. Like this way. Now it became more strong, more flexible. Then we soak it inside water for 1 week to get the light paper, 2 weeks to get the dark brown one. So the difference between light and brown, just more time inside water, nothing different in the quality. After that we get 2 sheets of carpets and we start to arrange the slices in vertical and horizontal lines. Each line touches the other to stick together naturally without any chemicals or any glue. And so on and so on. Add the rest of the sheet, then we cover it, put it under the hand press for 1 week. So 1 or 2 weeks inside water, 1 week under the hand press, and then we have the rest here. يا حسين عايزة ورق شجر. The paper here very
तो आपने
strong
सुना होगा कि
and
वो
very
बता
flexible
रही है
as
कि
well.
किस तरीके से इस पपायरस प्लांट के ज़रिए वो बनाते हैं पेपर। हाँ, ये ओल्ड एंशियंट इजिप्ट स्टाइल है पेपर बनाने का। और ये जो सारा आप
So the
देख रहे
papyrus
हैं
paper very strong
ये वाला पेपर है
and
वो।
very flexible as well. You can touch it.
Thank you। और ये पेपर हमें मिला है और ये पपायरस से बना है, जो कि ये प्लांट है। और उसने पूरा प्रोसीजर बताया है कि किस तरीके से वो जो सेंटर का पार्ट होता है
Here
उसको
in Egypt,
रिमूव करते
unfortunately, we
हैं।
have 2 types of this paper: original, fake. The fake one made out of banana leaves and sugar cane, not from papyrus. Papyrus only with the government. It should be in a governmental place to have original stuff like this. How we can get the difference between both of them? By your eyes, very difficult. So just one way: we put it inside water. Original paper survive. You can wash it like a piece of clothes. Nothing happened to the paper.
तो वो
You can also
डिफरेंस बता
squeeze
रही है।
it, and the paper is still strong.
उसने वो डिफरेंस बताया है
You can also get
कि
the slices off.
फेक और ओरिजिनल पेपर में जो papyrus
Just
पेपर
remove
है
water, stick it again one more time. So this paper lasts forever. For 1,000 years, nothing happened to the paper. After that, we send the plain paper like this one to the most professional artists to draw all the scenes around you about our civilization. We have here like 4 masterpieces. The first one here is the final judgment day. The idea about eternal life, life after this. You can see here Anubis, god of mummification, takes the heart from this person and put it here again at the feather of Mu'in, symbol of justice. If the heart is heavier than the feathers, that means he's a bad person, guilty man. And this animal, symbol of punishment, called Amam, who eats the heart, no second life for him. If the heart is light, no mistakes, he will rise to go to the paradise here. The next one here is the family tree, representing happy life and happy family. You can see here father, mother, then the children are down the tree. The mother with her wings to protect her children, and the father here looking the other way to protect all the family members from any enemies. So all the ancient people used to put their family's name around the tree, symbol of unity between the family members. The next one here, come closer. This one here is the Egyptian calendar, the first idea ever about timing in ancient time. So we can see here 4 double shapes. We've got Horus, referring to 4 directions, 4 single ladies, 4 seasons. When we count all of them, we will get 12 people, referring to 12 months of the year, 24 hand, 24 hours at the day. At the middle, you can see all our zodiacs and the star signs. The last one here is the love story between King Tutankhamun and his wife. Also here we have the idea about if you like in a story here, you can make it your story, how you can put your name on it in hieroglyphic letters like these symbols. Symbols taken from nature, and each symbol has a meaning. Like here is P-E-T-E-R, Peter. And also we have this shape called cartouche. You can add your name inside. This is a royal shape because kings and the queens only used to put their name inside. At any piece of art, you find 2 numbers. The red one is the modern number. The black one is the price in American dollars. We make it USD to be easy, but we accept all currency. We accept also Visa, MasterCard. Now before you look around, you have inside here a very special section glowing in the dark. So come with me to show you.
उसने बहुत प्रोफेशनल तरीके से लेकिन बहुत जल्दी हमें समझा दी चीज़ें। लेकिन जैसा कि मैंने आपको दिखाया, ये सारा पपायरस प्लांट से बने हुए पेपर हैं और इनके ऊपर सारी एक आर्ट्स और कैलीग्राफिक हुई हुई है। और ये अब हमें एक ख़ास कमरे में ले आई है, कहीं यहाँ आके ये ना बोले कि कितने प्राइस है, कितने प्राइस है, लेकिन बाकी में बहुत ब्यूटीफुल है। ये सारा ये देखिए सब इस पेपर पे बना हुआ।
So here we have a very special section because this section glowing in the dark. We have here 2 types. All the black background, like this one was there, with a switch of light, but always the same. The most crazy one is in the picture was white because the white background, the change in the dark.
सारे अब ये जो है ना, यहाँ पे जो भी आर्ट है इस रूम में वो सारे डार्क में ग्लो कर रहे हैं, ठीक है? हाँ नहीं, वो कह रहे कि जब अंधेरा हो जाएगा तो ग्लो करेंगे, चमकेंगे।
क्या कमरे में अंधेरा कर देना?
हाँ
ये कह रही हूँ।
करेगी शायद। जैसा कि अभी उसने अंधेरा करके दिखाया, ये देखिए ये अंधेरे में जो है ये चमक रहा है, ये डार्क एंड दे आर ग्लोइंग इन द डार्क।
Is this one?
Like this?
हाँ
This one?
معلش انا ده قافلي ثانية والله عايزة اشوف.
The most important thing is the T certificate to make sure that all painting here is original paper, not fake. خلاص يا
ये तो चीज़ें बड़ी अच्छी है, अट्रैक्टिव और यूनिक है, लेकिन है कॉस्टली, महंगी है। हमें जाना है आगे तुर्किया और हमें वहाँ पे खर्चा करना है, तो हम सोच रहे हैं।
Okay, now you can look around if you like something or need an explanation. سمحت بجد هتموتنا. Look, for your group, you have a discount. For the small and medium pieces, you have 10% off. For the big size, 20% off. So actually, go with
ब्यूटीफुल। तो ये वाले जो आर्ट है वो अंधेरे में चमक रहे हैं। ये सारे यूनिक पेपर है, उसने जिस तरीके से एक्सप्लेन किया, पता नहीं आप लोगों को आवाज़ आई होगी कि नहीं आई होगी। ये एक प्लांट से पेपर बनता है, ये ओल्ड एंशियंट इजिप्ट की टेक्निक है। और ये लोग जो हैं पुराने ज़माने में ऐसे पेपर बनाते थे जो कि हज़ारों सालों तक सही हालत में रहता था। यस, उसने हमसे पूछा कि हम मुस्लिम हैं कि नहीं, तो हमने कहा हम मुस्लिम हैं। तो ये जो है हमारे लिए ये लेके आई है, जिसमें ये देखिए ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाह मुहम्मदुर रसूलुल्लाह लिखा हुआ है।
So the 99 names of Allah should be لا إله إلا الله محمد رسول الله الشهادة. بس ده الكعبة ولا دي؟ بس ده المدينة الكعبة لا إله إلا الله محمد رسول الله. Yes, Ayat al-Kursi, the 99 names of Allah. This one we call it al-Mihwab. 99 names of Allah. Qul huwa Allahu ahad. Then Ayat al-Kursi. And also from if we do piece like this, we have.
बस ये कि बता तो रही है हमें चीज़ें, लेकिन काफ़ी महंगी है। $280 बोल रही है वो एक पीस की। चीज़ अच्छी है लेकिन बहुत महंगी है। हमें इतना ख़र्चा नहीं करना है, लेकिन देखें अगर कुछ समझ आएगा तो ले